guys know who I am?
No. Like, are you the principal?
Your teacher has called me in because apparently some of you have cheated. All of you got 100. Joe Morrow, the stupidest kid in the class. Now I'm going to stratify the sample. Joe Morrow. We know you cheated on this test.
Nah.
Just admit it. You've never done well on a test. Your highest grade is 65.
I worked hard. I studied.
You worked hard?
Yeah.
You worked hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
What
studied.
was this test on? Do you even know that?
Math.
Math. Can you specify?
Statistic math.
We're getting closer.
I mean, we learn.
This was on test.
We learn a lot.
This was on test.
It's
right?
always about tests.
It's always about tests. Well, then why don't you answer some
See,
questions?
I wrote it right there,
Then why don't
test.
you answer some questions about this
I would
test
lo-
on
I would
test?
love-
Question 1. What are the 3 conditions for a Z-score test?
I mean, one of them starts like a Z.
The answer is random, normal,
Don't you think that was a little much, stat man?
Leave the boy to me, Gordon. I can handle him. A Z-test is used to measure what?
A.
Proportion. And means.
I don't cheat.
Shh. One final question. What is a 2-sample Z interval for P1 minus P2?
MX plus B.
Wrong!
That's enough, stat man. The answer is P2 minus P1 times Z times square root of P times 1 minus P over N1 plus P2 times 1 minus P2 over N2. You're the cheater!
Who remembers that?
Thanks for your help, stat man. We found 1 cheater so far.
My work here is done.
Up next, a Mr. Jordan Weaver. Give me that phone, boy. Now I think you cheated.
No,
No?
I did not cheat at all. I did this 100%. Like, I'm 99% confident.
99%? So you're saying you may have cheated?
No.
You don't know if you cheated?
I'm just saying that because I was on the test.
You're on the, You would either know you cheated or you didn't. Am I gonna need help for this?
From who?
Statman!
A muggle, said Hagrid. It's what we call non-magic folk like them. And it's in your...
Statman!
Who is he? Who the heck is this guy?
That's Statman, and as for the other one, you got me.
Oh, God!
Wait a second on the interrogation, Statman. Who was that boy you were reading to?
That boy is the young, docile Stat Lad. Stat Lad! Please not Stat Lad. Stat Lad. Oh. I don't like Stat Lad.
Okay? Continue your interrogation. I'll be watching.
Wonderful question. What is the equation for a 1-sample T interval from you? X bar plus or minus T times the S of X? In that order? Yeah. Half credit.
Your docile stat lad doesn't seem that docile to me.
What are you talking about? He's completely harmless. Stat lad, really?
For a 2-sample t-test for means, how do you determine if it's a normal distribution?
It'll be bell-shaped, I guess. With a 6895? See? I didn't cheat, Stat Lad. Actually, N1 and N2 need to be greater than or equal to 30.
Dang it!
What's the matter? Stick out your tongue.
That's enough, Statman.
We're out of here!
You disappeared again. At least we have the info we need to lock this guy up. Time for student number 3. Wonder if he's as guilty as the rest. Mr. Kramer, was it?
Sir.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
That's what I thought. Is this your test?
Yes, sir.
It looks familiar, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm gonna ask you. Did you cheat?
No! No, sir.
No?
No!
Well, I guess I'm gonna need outside help for you, too. Statman?
I sense a disturbance. Statland! Statman! What seems to be the problem, Commissioner?
We got one more potential cheater. Another 100.
Another cheater, eh? And double check marks. Let's see how much you know about cheese squared.
Isn't it chi-squared test?
You passed question 1.
I think I should take this one, Statman.
Good call, Gordon. Owie.
Time for the real question 1. For a chi-square goodness of fit test, how do you find degrees of freedom?
That's, number of categories minus 1.
Wait, Statlab. I think that's right. Okay, question 2. For a chi-square test for homogeneity, what's the equation?
That's, observed minus expected squared over expected.
That's right again. Question 3. You pass this, you're in the clear. That 100 will stick. For a linear regression, what are the 5 conditions that must be met?
Okay, linear, independent, normal, equal variance, and random?
That's correct. Congratulations, Mr. Kramer. That 100's yours.
Hey guys, I can't find my mask. I can't.
Commissioner, is he free to go?
Hey, Peterson.
Stat lab.
Take these cheaters away.
Dominoes falling right in the street. Baby, this time there's no retreat, there's no surrender.
What was the probability of that happening?
Devil is rising, a shadow from the past.
Wait! I've done the tests. And the probability, the p-value, that you survive is 0.04, which is less than our significance level.
I give up.
Statistics always wins.
Girl, we need some action. If we're gonna make it like a true survivor, we need some action.